I welcome all you people in Pearl Wine International. Hope you are giving your quality time, and I am trying to give my 100% so that you can get whatever you are expecting from me. So let's start. Pearl Wine, it's a digital wallet. We all people are aware about that, and in future, Pearl Wine has lot of announcements which are. Into the project, and the upcoming pipeline is very strong. So let me explain you about the profile. Pearlwine International, www.pearlwine.com. This is the website link. You can go to the Pearlwine profile page. Since 2015 it is working across the globe. Founder and visionary Mr. Dr. Daniel Johnson, who is staying in Texas, USA, and you will get some advantages also. See, it's a platform of crowdfunding, secure software-based system, 100% distribution, because it's a process, it's a system where your all money is going to be distributed in all the people. System is not going to take even a single penny from you. Cloudflare unlimited storage system is there, so the system runs very smoothly, and there is no any chances to hang the system. Global account is there. You will get the global account, and 24/7 services are there. I would like to tell you that a lot of people who every day visit Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter, we all are active because youth is totally active on these platforms. We upgrade every day ourselves, and we update some new content into these medias. A lot of people are learning on Zoom and Google Meet. Even our kids are also studying right now at home only. There is no regular classes or schools there, so people are learning from Zoom and Google Meet. So Pearlwine will give you a chance to learn from home and earn from home, so you can get the classes over Zoom and Google Meet. See, we'll learn that what kind of working income and how much the auto pools are there. Working income is around 1500 crore. It's a project. If you are working over there, you will get around 1500 crore, and it's a concept totally helping concept. So till now, people who are working in product-based companies or doing direct sellings, they don't need to sell anything over here. It's a simply affiliate program. You have to stop selling and start helping. Fast track income, you will get around $15 if you are joining anyone into the system. You will get this as a reward. You will get the another income, which is team performance income, $1.25, which you will get by joining any people who is joining in your team. He will pay you the donation around $1.25 per person you will get, and it's a compensation plan. And auto pool is also there, 1419. I mean 1419 crore. Can you imagine such a big amount? It's a cashback program which you will get only by Autopoll. It's a global working project where you are going to get all this amount from global working. I want to explain you that you are going to register. If you are going to register here, you need some documents: your name, your mobile number, your email ID, and one referral account number which your senior will provide you, and the 30 DP which is the total amount 2250 rupees. That much you have to pay, and if you are daring to pay 2250, you will get lot of opportunities over here. Let me explain you how you are going to get this. You can open your digital account through the website also. You can visit www.pearlwine.com, and you can log in over there. Login page will open, and you can see the registration page will open. This is like such. You have to fill your number, mobile number, your name, your email ID, and 8-digit password you have to select over there. And finally you will get registration number. You will get an account number, and like this you will get registered into the system. And if you're paying 30 DP, $30, you will become an active member. And after becoming active member, you will get some benefits over there. Referral income, you will get referral income by joining direct people into your team. And team performance income, you will get this will come from your team. And auto poll income is a global working income which you will get after some time. Fast track income will come when your downline is upgrading their wallets. And new bonanza is a plan which will make you crorepati in very short term. So let me explain you the referral income. Referral income is the biggest income which you will get instant. If you're joining any person by 2250, if he's paying 2250 rupees, immediately you will get $15. $15 means 1125 rupees you will get immediately, and this amount you can encash at that time. Instant you can encash that cash also. And if you are joining 10 to 20 people or 30 people in a month, you will get around 35,000 rupees in a month. And this is simply referral program. Simply join one person and get this amount and make maximum number, and you will get around 30 to 35,000 rupees in a month also. Let me explain you about team performance income. Team performance income means you will get around $1.25 from each member who is joining in your team. By joining your subordinates, your team members, anyone who is joining into your team, he has to pay $1.25 as a donation. You can call this amount as a chanda also, because people will contribute only 94 rupees for you. And you can see the metrics. If force metrics is working for 8 level, up to 8 level, you will get around the people will be around 87,380, and all the people who are contributing 94 rupees will get around 81,91,875 rupees. This all amount is coming from your team performance income, which is a very big amount. So don't underestimate this amount. It's a big amount. Let me explain you about 30 digital point which you are paying for Pearl. You are going to get 43,856 43 lakh 80 you will get around 132 lakhs over there. And if you are paying 40 DP into the system, you are going to become Coral, and you will get around 1 crore 31 lakhs. And if you are paying 100 digital points in the system and you are upgrading yourself, you will become Onyx member, and you are going to get around 3 crore 93 lakhs. So it's a big amount. And finally, if you are going to be Quartz, you have to pay around 1000 DP, which is around 75,000 rupees, and you are going to get auto pool income around 39 crores. Simply you have to pay 1000 digital points. And further you can see, if you are becoming Amethyst, you have to pay some amount, 5000 DP you have to pay into the system. You are going to get 196 crore rupees income. And like this, Ruby is giving you 393 crore auto pool income. And finally Ruby, if you are upgrading by 20,000 DP, you are going to get 786 crore rupees. So here the all auto pool detail is there. All auto pools are around 1419 crore. So it's a total non-working income which you are going to get from the system. And if you are working, means till the 7th level, you have to join only 20 members into the system, and you can get 1419 crore rupees auto pool income. But if you are trying to do something by working, same amount, around 1500 crore you can get from the working income also. So it's a win-win plan. If you are working, you are getting. If you are not working, still you are getting. Here comes the fast track income. Fast track income, if you are paying 30 DP into the system, you are becoming a Pearl. And if you are making someone Pearl, you are getting 15 DP straight away in your wallet. And if somebody who is working in your second level, if he is upgrading 40 DP with Coral, he has to pay 20 DP directly to you. 20 DP will directly come to your wallet, and 20 DP will go into the auto pool system. And if you are third level, anyone who is upgrading with Onyx 100 DP, and you are going to get 50 DP from each and everyone, and 50 DP is going into the auto pool system. If anybody upgrading in your fourth line with 1000 DP and he is becoming Quartz, 500 DP directly will come to your wallet, and 500 DP will go directly into the auto pool system. If someone is upgrading Amethyst in your fifth lane, then if he is upgrading with 5000 DP, 2500 DP will directly come to your wallet, and 2500 DP will directly go into the auto pool system. And if someone is becoming Topaz with 10,000 DP in your sixth lane, down the line, 5000 DP will directly come to your wallet, and 5000 DP will go directly for the auto pool system. And if someone in your 7th level upgrading Ruby himself, then 20,000 DP will come directly to your wallet, and 10,000 DP will directly go into the auto pool system. See, if you want to get all these amounts, fast track amounts in your wallet, simply money says if you are capable, I'll come to you. So you have to upgrade yourself. If you want Onyx amount 50 DP, then you have to upgrade your wallet. You upgrade your rank with Onyx. If you want Quartz amount, you have to upgrade yourself Quartz. And if you want to achieve, if you want to get the amount 10,000 DP from each Ruby who is in your seventh rank, seventh downline, you have to upgrade yourself as a Ruby member. So if you are reaching up to the fourth level where 256 people are there, still you have 256 people in your metrics that time. Up to your fourth level, you will get 500 DP from each and every one, and assume that it becomes around 96 lakhs for you. So it's a big plan, big huge plan. From fast track income, you're going to get each and every amount. So you have to upgrade yourself as soon as possible. You upgrade yourself Quartz, because there are some other announcements in future for Quartz level people. So if you want to work and achieve some huge amount, at least focus up to the Quartz level. You will get around 96 lakhs from there, from your team's upgradation, and that is a big amount. Now come to the second part B, Big Bonanza 2020. Big Bonanza 2020, which is launched by 7th February. It's a 7th February when the system came into the focus. At that time, whosoever were active and they activated their wallets, they are in great benefits, and they make huge money within last, I think so, 7-8 months. They make lakhs of rupees. I will explain you what kind of system is this. I used to say this system as a young age retirement plan, and my friend, one of my friend, Mr. Prem Narayan Tiwari ji, he used to explain this system. Old age retirement plan. Both we are right, because money, we both need money, and all age groups need money. So let me explain you how the money will come. If you are making yourself upgrade into Agate, then it's a pure upgradation plan. You have to pay only 20 DP into the system, and by upgrading 20 DP, you are becoming eligible for 65 lakh rupees. After your upgradation, anyone who is going to upgrade Agate will pay you some little bit chanda, and you are going to get around 65 lakh rupees after your upgradation. If you are giving 40 DP into the system and upgrading yourself as an Amazonite, after your upgradation, anybody who will upgrade Amazonite will pay you around 2 crore rupees, and it will come into small investments, and people will contribute chanda for you, and you will get this amount with people's donation. And if you want to be Amber into the system, you have to upgrade with 7,500 rupees, means 100 DP you have to pay to the system. And after your upgradation, if anybody will upgrade his account into Amber, he has to pay around 5 lakh rupees for you, and it will come into parts, and small donations will make this amount, and you can get this amount very soon. And finally, the product is Beryl. You can upgrade by 200 DP. 200 DP you have to pay to the system, and then you can become Beryl. And after your upgradation, anybody who is doing Beryl upgradation, he has to pay small amounts, and you are going to get around 10 crore rupees. So all these upgradation 4 levels are around 18 crore rupees you are going to get after this upgradation. And it's a huge amount, and you are going to pay only 27,000 rupees for that. So total investment is 27,000, and you are achieving around 18 crore, which is very huge amount. So don't think about that, because 27,000 rupees, we cannot make any fort with 27,000 rupees, but definitely we can make a huge amount over here with this investment. And if you have team, if you have around 50 people or 100 people, you will get the team performance also. By upgrading Agate from your downline, you will get 1 DP, and if someone upgrade their account by 40 DP and he become Amazonite, you will get 2 DP from each and every person. And if someone upgrade himself Amber, you will get 5 DP. And Beryl, if someone down the line your team upgrading with the 200 DP Beryl, you will get 10 DP from your team. So collectively you will get 18 DP from each and every person. And if you have 100 people, make sure you are going to get around 1800 DPs from your team. So these are blank checks. Your team is a tree of money for you. So a little bit shake your tree and get the money from your people. So it's a big amount which you can get from your team. Finally, I'll explain you about 10 Kadam because it's a friendly plan. If you have 10 friends in your life, if you are a social being, make sure you must be having 10 friends. Definitely with your, I can say, see, we are social animals and we live in a society. So it is must that we should have friends. So call your 10 friends and join them into the system. They will make this process continue and they will join 10 people into your second lane, and here you can get 100 people team, and finally make the process continue up till the third level, and the team will be around 1000 people. So from 10 people you are going to get 150 dps. From 100 people you are going to get 20 dp. With their upgradation, when they are going to become coral, they will pay you 20 dp each and every one. So from 100 people you will get 2000 dp, and in your third lane 1000 people, when they will become onyx, they will pay you 50 dp directly, and you will get this amount from each person. So here the collective dps will be around 52,150, and you can convert all these dps into Indian rupees. So 39 lakhs 11,250 rupees you are going to get. You can see the level of team performance income also. So here are the 4 levels which are given. You are going to get 1.25 dp from each and every person. So collective dps from 10 people you will get 12.50 dp. From 100 people you are going to get 125 dp. From 1000 people you are going to get 1250 dp, and from 10,000 people you are going to get 12,500 dp, and the collective dps will be around 13,887 dps. And convert if you are going to convert all these dps into Indian rupees, you are going to get 10 lakhs 41,562 rupees. So all combine all these money, and you are going to get around 50 lakh rupees. So here you are becoming half crorepati, and it's a big opportunity for us because nowadays there is no work which is going to make us crorepati. So here you can live your dreams and you can fulfill your dreams also. So at least do complete the 10 Kadam, and you can make this happen in next 6 months, next 1 year, or next 1.5 year. You can make it possible. If you're working hard, you can get all this money. It's a very short term plan. You can make this money directly from your team, and simply 3 levels you have to follow. So you're getting all the money. You have e-wallet which you have which you can download from the Google Play Store, and you can utilize its services also. In future, shopping portal is also going to come, so you can do shopping also. But after launching, you can get all the benefit. Right now you have to recharge your mobiles only, and you can do the bank withdrawals with 10% remittance charges. You can take the money, you can take your dps into your bank account also. You can use this amount for opening new accounts, and for level upgradation you can use this amount. And all the money which you are going to get is totally white money which you are going to get, because the cross border trades which is regulated by RDA. RDA is an arrangement, rupee drawing arrangement, which is a legal procedure by which when we request our dollars for rupees, when we put some dollars into the exchanger for confirming the money into our bank accounts, RDA comes into the focus, and cross border trades are operated by RDA. So the money which is coming into our banks, we have to pay 10%, and that is the remittance charges which we have to pay, and all the money we can get into our bank accounts. We can tell our CA, and he can show this income as a reward based income, or our business income, or our networking income, and he can show this amount into the other income source of money, and this is pure white money which we can get into our banks, and the money is taxable also. Royalty income is nowadays in very hot cake. Everyone from the Pearl Wine is talking about the royalty income is going to come. So it's better we have to wait up till the official announcement is not there. I cannot say anything confirmed, but if in future it is going to come, it's a great opportunity for us. At least whosoever are in upper ranks, they are going to get the money as a royalty. So wait for this madam. She is having a box, and all the opportunities in this box. When it will open, definitely we will come to know that what kind of opportunities are there. So in future shopping portal will come, definitely we can shopping from our site. Pearlvine is a social and e-commerce website, so in future we'll get the benefit of e-commerce and social media platform also. It has a Pearlvine has a news channel also. We can get the news updates from its channel also. So if you want to go to the channel, you can type pearlvine.co and you can see the latest updates from the world into news channel. A new way to change the world. Yes, definitely Pearlvine has the capacity, and it's a big opportunity for people that in future we will be the partner of Pearlvine, and Pearlvine have a capacity to change the world. And definitely Pearlvine will never end. It's a big opportunity for us that we are into the system which is not going to end anywhere. Pearlvine application you can download from the Play Store, and you can get all the services from there. And let me explain you frankly that fast track income is a reward, team performance income is a compensation plan, and auto pull income is a totally cashback plan. So all these you are going to get from Pearlvine. So thank you very much. If you are very clear about the system, you can get all the details from my YouTube channel also. Please subscribe my channel, like the videos, and share it to people to whom you want to join into the system. Lots of thanks once again. You give your precious time. Hopefully I fulfill your questions and your demands. Make sure next time we'll meet and greet in a big party, because you are going to make good money out of this system. And if you are going to make good money, make a big party and call me also. I will be the part of that party also. Thank you very much. Lots of thanks.